Mastering manufacturing process design. We blindly optimize production layouts, hoping for excellence. What steps do we currently take to design and optimize our production layouts in order to achieve operational excellence, and how do we subsequently measure their effectiveness? Our organization takes a multifaceted approach to designing and optimizing production layouts to achieve operational excellence. The process begins with a thorough analysis of the production requirements, including volume, product mix, and quality standards. This analysis is used to identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that will be used to measure the effectiveness of the production layout. Firstly, we employ a team of experienced production engineers and layout designers who utilize computer-aided design, CAD, software and simulation tools to create a digital model of the production layout. This digital model is used to simulate the production process and identify potential bottlenecks, inefficient use of space, and opportunities for improvement. The design team also considers factors such as material flow, equipment placement, and worker ergonomics to ensure that the layout is optimized for productivity, safety, and quality. Once the digital model has been developed, the design team conducts a thorough review and validation of the layout to ensure that it meets the production requirements and KPIs. This review process involves feedback from stakeholders, including production managers, quality engineers, and maintenance personnel. The feedback is used to refine the design and ensure that it is feasible, practical, and meets the organization's operational excellence goals. After the final design has been approved, the production layout is implemented, and a thorough training program is conducted for production staff to ensure that they are familiar with the new layout and processes. The training program includes both classroom instruction and on-the-job training to ensure that employees understand the reasons behind the layout changes and are equipped to work efficiently and effectively. To measure the effectiveness of a production layout, we track and analyze various KPIs, including production volume and efficiency. We measure the output of the production line in terms of units per hour, day, or month, and compare it to the target output. We also track the downtime and uptime of equipment to identify opportunities for improvement. Product quality. We measure the quality of the products produced, including defect rates, reject rates, and customer satisfaction ratings. Inventory levels and turns. We track the levels of inventory, including raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, and measure the inventory turns to ensure that we are optimizing our inventory levels and minimizing waste. Employee productivity and satisfaction. We measure employee productivity in terms of units produced per hour, and conduct regular surveys to gauge employee satisfaction and engagement. Energy and resource efficiency. We track the energy consumption and resource utilization of the production process, including water, gas, and electricity usage, to identify opportunities for improvement and cost savings. We use a combination of data sources, including automated data collection systems, manual data collection, and periodic audits to track and analyze these KPIs. The data is analyzed using statistical process control methods and lean manufacturing principles to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities for improvement. Regular reviews and assessments are conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of the production layout and identify areas for improvement. These reviews involve cross-functional teams, including production, quality, maintenance, and engineering, to ensure that all stakeholders are engaged and aligned. The reviews are used to refine the production layout and processes, and to develop and implement continuous improvement initiatives to achieve operational excellence. In addition, we benchmark our production layout and processes against industry best practices and peer companies to identify opportunities for improvement and stay ahead of the competition. We also conduct regular training and development programs for our production staff to ensure that they have the necessary skills and knowledge to optimize the production layout and processes. Overall, our approach to designing and optimizing production layouts is a continuous process that involves thorough analysis, simulation, design, implementation, and measurement. By following this approach, we are able to achieve operational excellence, improve productivity, quality, and efficiency, and reduce costs and waste.